Hello mga Ka-Toto! Welcome to another vlog full of light and love. This is Tori. At para po doon sa mga hindi pa nagsusubscribe, I encourage you to like, share, and subscribe and click on the notification bell for more video updates about business, events, growth and development, inspirational and motivational na makakatulong sa'yo to unleash your breakthrough. And for today's vlog mga Ka-Toto, relatable dito ang mga business owners, and I will be discussing with you the top big mistakes of small businesses. This is Tori. Number one big mistake is not knowing your numbers. Meaning to say, ito po yung mga tinatawag na bad pricing. It's okay, syempre, when you are starting to have your prices compared to your competitors, but not literally copy kung ano man yung prices na meron sila. Bakit po? It is because hindi naman all the time is pareho kayo ng expenses. And most likely, paano kung mali din yung pagkaka-pricing niya? So definitely, magiging mali din yung pricing mo. So it is good na you have to assess ano ba yung numbers mo, what are your expenses, para makapag-price ka ng tama sa iyong mga consumers. Number 2 mga Ka-Toto, not charging enough for your time and cost. Hindi naman masama na you are giving a little extra for your customer for them to satisfy the service that they are getting from you. But also remember na the quality and the value that you are giving to your clients, kailangan na babayaran siya ng tama. Hindi porket na ang competitor mo ay nag-o-offer ng mas mababang rate is magbababa ka na rin para lang makakuha ka ng client. Remember, at the end of the day, i-assess mo ano ba yung value na ibinibigay mo. So stick to it. Remember, sa ballpen, there are different kinds of ballpen. There is Panda, Parker, marami ibang klaseng brands. Parker and Panda can be the same, can be both pens, pero they have different qualities and they have different target markets. So, ikaw din, dapat, when you price yourself, make sure that you are pricing it right and you are attracting your ideal customers. And third mga Ka-Toto, when clients don't pay on time. As a business owner, it is our responsibility to bill our clients or customers promptly. So kung kailangan natin mangolekta ng payments, do it because we need their payments for our cash flow to run the business and to pay for our overhead expenses. And number 4 big mistake is when we are spreading ourselves too thinly. So meaning to say, when we do a lot of tasks, when we do a lot of work, and instead of focusing doon sa money-generating tasks, na-spread na natin yung sarili natin sa mga iba't ibang tasks, which is na paparalyze tayo as a business owner. So it is important to delegate tasks and hire people that will help you grow your business. For example, mga Ka-Toto, diba? Day by day, you're getting a lot of emails, you're getting a lot of inquiries. So instead na ikaw pa yung nagsasagot nun one by one, why not delegate it to someone, probably get a secretary or get a social media manager who can manage all those customer-related inquiries. And another biggest mistake, mga Ka-Toto, is that when business owners spend too much in advertising without tracking the results. So, napaka-importante sa expenses, sa budget ng isang business owner na gumastos for advertising and marketing para makilala yung brand nila, yung products and services. However, kailangan din, tina-track din natin yung results. Nag-generate ba to ng income sa atin? Kasi definitely, kung hindi ito nag-generate ng income, is nag-aaksaya lang tayo ng pera. And we have to assess and make another strategy na magbe-benefit ang company natin. Number 6 mga katoto is underestimating a project or service time. This pertains to companies who offers or sells products or service-based companies. Ito ay talaga yung bread and butter nila. Time is very important. So, kasi kung hindi natin ma-estimate ng tama yung oras na ginugoogle natin to give our services or make products to our customers, definitely mababurn out tayo. And especially for product-based companies, time is very important sa logistics. So, you must be really aware of this. And 7th mga katoto, is not having a solid system or procedures. This is the foundation of every businesses. Kailangan may maayos na sistema and flow para mas maging efficient ang pagtatrabaho ng mga empleyado sa loob ng company. At syempre, para ma-deliver din ng maayos yung services and products sa kanilang mga customers. So, if we fail to do this solid kind of system sa kumpanya natin, chances are mag-fail ang negosyo natin. So, example ng system or procedures. So, from the time na magme-message ang client or customers to get your product, ano na yung next step doon? So, syempre, kailangan i-collect niyo yung bill, i-collect niyo yung payment, then afterwards, i-forward niyo sa employee niyo para i-pack yung goods, and then, i-deliver. So, yung mga ganong klaseng sistema, it is very important in every company para maging successful ito. And lastly, mga katoto, one of the biggest mistakes is that when a business owner does not get any help. So, meaning to say, importante na humingi tayo ng tulong from a business coach or business mentor na tutulungan tayo mag-guide in the step-by-step process na ginagawa natin sa pagnenegosyo. And also, wala pong nagnenegosyo na mag-isa. For us to be able to expand and grow in the business, we need the help of employees. So, kung saan ka mas magaling, you just have to focus on it. At yung mga bagay na hindi ka magaling, you can outsource it. You can ask someone to help you or hire someone na pwede kang mag-delegate ng trabaho para mas maging efficient at mas lalong gumanda yung takbo ng iyong negosyo. And that's it mga katoto. I hope you learned something for today. At kung meron po kayong gustong idagdag, do not forget to comment below, like, share, subscribe, and click on the notification bell for more video updates. At syempre, mas na-excite din ako talaga na malaman kung ano pa yung mga topics natin na gusto nyong mapanood in the future. And this is it. This is Tori signing out. Keep spreading light and love. See you!